Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So today we'll learn how to create a child theme without any code, without any custom PHP. By using a plugin, how to create a child theme of any WordPress theme. So we have already created Hello Elementor. So first we need to add a one WordPress theme. So we need to add a Astra theme for our child theme. We just create this Astra theme as a child. So we need one plugin. While installing the theme, we go to plugin section. We just need to add a plugin. Name is child theme. We have a lot of theme plugins come, so we use a generate child theme. So go back to our themes. So theme is installed, just activate that theme, and we are creating child theme of Astra theme. So plugin is installed and now activated. So our plugin is successfully activated. So you can see in the menu generate child theme. So we select our theme which we want to create a child theme. These are all parent themes. So name of child theme, you can also name on theme Astra child, or you can name as your website name, your WordPress tutorial, for example. Description of your theme: this is a child theme for development and custom code. So name of your author, type XYZ, version 1.0.01, something like this, and just generate. So this is take a couple of minutes to install the child theme. So here's our child theme created by Astra. So you can see here. So this is a simple step of how to create a child theme of any WordPress websites. So here's the basic steps. You can simply create your child theme by using these steps and plugins. So if you like our video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels for more and latest contacts. Thank you very much.